All right, here we are. I'm outside. Got my winter boots on. It's beautiful here in Wisconsin. It's February, getting into that weird part of winter where we get teased by spring. Got a little video prep for you. There's the gym garden. But heading into week 3, expectations for ourselves is still trying to get comfortable with new movements, new flow of workouts, new positions. Getting comfortable moving our bodies, finding our body in different positions. Those of us that are getting comfortable, definitely, start upping the intensity, be it with weights, speed, or just having better technique, doing things better than we did last week. And then I've got some videos, some good educational content to share about, what do we got this week? We got a TED Talk about stress, how we view stress, mental and physical. We've got some gardening, grow your own type videos coming at you, some podcasts. And then we've got a little languishing video at the end of the week. So some good content. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you get after your workouts, you get outside, and enjoy the week.